Hey there, I'm Steve. Welcome to the Folded Form, my newly launched product and furniture design company. Join me in my adventures as I work to grow the company and build some really cool stuff along the way. Like many of you, this adventure is starting in my home garage. We're going to start by turning this into my home innovation center. It's going to need paint, storage, and workflow updates. Let's meet the team. Meet Shop Manager Charlie, Business Office Bucky, Shop Truck Brutus. As we build out home base, try not to go bust in the process. Keep our sanity. So what's the plan? Number 1, build furniture. It's fun and it keeps revenue rolling in. 2, product design. Although it's going to be a retrospective because we have to wait for patents to clear before we can go into any detail. Until then, let's throw some sparks, make some sawdust, build something cool. So like and subscribe. If you have ideas, leave them in the comments below. If there's a piece of furniture you want made for yourself, or a product you'd like designed, please contact me through thefoldedform.com. New videos to come at a very irregular rate.